Hello coders. In this video, we're gonna see the next question in our LeetCode 75 days. So yeah, we'll see what the question is. And this is the question, that is equal row and column pairs. So basically what this question says, the given of zero index n cross s integer matrix grid, return the number of pairs Ri and Cj such that row I and column j equal. So what does question expect us? Key, we have to find how many row and columns are matching. It's not just column and row. They it want row separately and column. That one row should match to the column only, not to the row. Okay, like in this example, we have third row and second column matching, and in second example we have this 0 1 to second row and 0 1 to second column matching, then again 0 1 to 3 third row and 0 1 to second column. So basically we have second and third and second. Likewise we have two pairs that matching. The row column, we can say it is the second row and second column, third row and second column. And again we can say ki uh, for this we have like 3 1 2, they also have given row 0 which is 3 1 2 2 and column 0 which is again 3 1 2 2. So these also matching, like this first 0th row and 0th column matching. So total how many are there matching pairs? There are three pairs. Now I think you understood the question. They are expecting us just see ki row and column if they are matching or not. If they are matching, then it will increase our answer by 1, and if not, then check for the next column, like take a row and check a column. And we can like what the brute force approach we can think ki we can take a row like this. Let's take, I took 3122 row and I'm going through each column. I first I will go to zeroth column which is 3122. So this will increase our answer is equals to 1. Then we'll go to this one, that is 1444, but here it's not matching to 3122, so we'll increase our answer by 0 because it's not matching. Then I mean increase in the sense, if it's not matching we are not increasing. 3122 we checked with 2422, it's not matching. Then again 3122 match checked with 2522, not matching. So entire this, we checked zeroth column, zeroth row with zeroth column, zeroth row with first column, zeroth row with second column, zeroth row with third column. In this one iteration, our answer is increased by 1. In next iteration, what we will do, we will take second row. We check first row with all columns. Now we'll check second row with all columns. 1445. 3122 no. 1445 1444 no. 1445 2422 no. So basically it's not matching with any column. Second, then we'll take 2422. Then we'll this row, basically second row, 2422, we'll check it with 3122, no it's not matching. 1444, no it's not matching. 2422, yes it is matching. Increase the answer by 1. So first we the answer was 1, then again then now it will be 2. Then check it with this one, like fourth column, like basically third column, zero columns, first column, second one, third column. Third column and second row matching, no it's not matching. So likewise what we will do, we'll take a row, we'll match with the columns, and if it is matching then we'll increase our answer by 1, and if it's not then we'll not increase our answer. So that was our basic question, like the question was brute force approach. I think you got it. Ki what we will do, if you get it, like in editorial also they have given the basic code. I'm not gonna write the that basic code, that is big of n cube basically. That the intuition I just explained, taking a row and checking with all columns. That code we'll see in editorial itself because I don't want to waste your and my both time. So we'll take this. What it says ki int count and this basically the result variable. Then we have it took the grid length. Then it, we are checking each row again each column against each column. So taking a row and column and match. Basically, we are taking a boolean variable to check if it matching to any column or not. Iterating over row and column C. So basically here what we are doing here key this loop will check row I and I. Basically this what does this does, R will be constant for this loop and for this loop also, right? So the row is basically a constant. I mean constant in the sense the we are taking a row and checking it with every column. And how it's every column? I and C. We are checking it with ith the row and columns. And for this for loop, the column is same and row is getting from 1 to n. So what it indicates ki it is a single column and this is a single row. I mean those are the sales of that column, but in intuition behind the implementation is it is single column and single row. Then if it is matched, if it does not match, then break it and we'll check it. If it is a match, then we'll increase it with 1. Otherwise, we'll again go and we'll take the second column. Like row will change until the column isn't like C isn't equal to n. Till then, what we'll do here, ki C our C will be 1 minute. Okay. Our C till the n will go through the loop like every column and we'll check it with every row, like not the whole row that we specifically we took, like first row, second row, third row, up to nth row, that which row we have took, and that row uh, will check it with every column, and if it is matched then we'll increase it, otherwise we don't increase it. And this is the simplest approach, like this is the brute force approach, which will not work because how much time it is taking, that we can see that here it is taking big of n, then again it is n and it is n as they are nexted, so it will take big of n cube time, and n constraint they have given here that it is up to 10 raised to 5, so it will be 10 raised to 15 that our answer is taking, that before answer will take 10 raised to 15, and LeetCode will not accept 10 raised to 15, it maximum accept 10 raised to 8, so it's not possible that it's not the good answer. Now in next video we'll see the best answer, we can say this is the this answer is best if we have the space constraint, but again it is not good for the timing. And yeah, this will take big of n cube time, and space is big of 1 only, that they have also given the space complexity is big of 1. So yeah, this was the brute force approach, and in next video we'll see optimal one. We gonna make 3 videos. In second video we gonna see better approach, and in third we gonna see brute force approach. If you don't know, try you can understand this through this problem. And yeah, we'll see it in next